Fellow plant lovers, we've all experienced that sinking feeling when our beloved garden struggles with poor soil, but every solution seems to require chemistry degrees and weekend-long soil amendments. Today I'm sharing the beautifully simple approach that transforms any soil into a plant paradise with minimal effort and maximum results. Here's the elegant secret that will bring instant peace to your gardening routine. Premium compost is nature's complete soil solution. Instead of juggling multiple products and complicated ratios, this single amendment creates the perfect growing environment that makes plants absolutely flourish. Spread a luxurious 3-inch blanket of well-aged compost over your existing soil, creating a nurturing foundation that plants will love. This living layer naturally balances pH, improves drainage in clay soils, increases water retention in sandy areas, and provides gentle, sustained nutrition that keeps plants thriving all season long. Layer 4 inches of organic mulch over the compost, creating a protective blanket that works tirelessly to maintain perfect growing conditions. Whether you choose aromatic straw, soft shredded leaves, or decorative wood chips, this comfort layer suppresses weeds naturally, maintains consistent soil moisture, and slowly decomposes to continuously feed your soil's beneficial organisms. Alright folks, let's talk about making watering a breeze. You'll want to install simple soaker hoses or drip irrigation directly onto your compost layer before adding that lovely mulch. And oh, don't forget to set automatic timers. These will handle deep, gentle watering sessions for you. No more daily watering worries. Your plants will get exactly what they need for optimal growth. Trust me, watering in the early morning is the way to go. It ensures maximum efficiency and helps prevent those pesky fungal issues. Now, if you've got clay soil that gets frustratingly hard when dry, don't worry. This gentle treatment works wonders. The organic matter creates breathing space, improving drainage while still maintaining those moisture-holding benefits. You can expect some noticeable improvements within, say, 2 months, and by the next growing season you'll see a dramatic transformation. It's really something to look forward to. And for those dealing with sandy soil, which seems to drink water instantly, this same loving treatment is just what you need. The organic matter creates countless tiny reservoirs, holding moisture and nutrients right where plant roots can access them. For sandy conditions, focus on finer organic materials like aged leaf mold. This will provide longer-lasting benefits. It's all about finding that perfect balance, and your plants will thank you for it. Compacted soil receives immediate relief through surface layering rather than disruptive digging. Building healthy growing conditions from the surface down allows natural soil organisms to gradually repair compaction while you avoid backbreaking manual work. Elevate your results with simple additions that create even more plant-friendly conditions. Brew gentle compost tea by soaking quality compost in water for 24 hours, then applying the nutrient-rich liquid around plants. This introduces beneficial microorganisms that accelerate soil improvement naturally. Consider incorporating flowering cover crops like crimson clover in unused garden spaces. These beautiful plants add organic matter while fixing nitrogen and attracting beneficial insects, creating a harmonious ecosystem that supports both soil and plant health effortlessly. For challenging drainage areas, create gentle raised growing areas by mounding your compost and mulch layers slightly higher. This provides immediate drainage improvement while the organic matter works its gradual magic on underlying soil structure. This method succeeds because it works in harmony with natural processes that have created the world's most fertile soils. By layering organic matter and allowing natural decomposition, you're partnering with proven ecological systems rather than fighting against them. Your garden becomes more beautiful and productive each year with this approach, requiring progressively less input as the system reaches natural balance. Established areas need only annual compost and mulch refreshing while producing increasingly abundant harvests and vibrant plant displays. The most satisfying aspect is how this transforms gardening from a source of stress into genuine joy and relaxation. Regular gentle care creates far better results than sporadic intensive efforts, while leaving you time to actually enjoy your garden's beauty. Begin your transformation this week by choosing one garden area. Apply your nurturing 3-layer system, set up effortless automatic watering, and watch nature work its magic. You'll discover how much more enjoyable gardening becomes when you work with natural processes. Consistency of gentle care matters far more than perfect technique or expensive amendments. Small, regular additions of organic matter create far better long-term results than occasional large applications while fitting naturally into any lifestyle. If this peaceful approach to soil building has brought more joy and success to your gardening experience, please subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more effective techniques that make gardening a true pleasure. Share this method with fellow plant lovers who deserve beautiful, healthy gardens without stress and complexity.